It's crappy again, rainy. I'm trying to lighten the mood a little bit, have a little fun out here. So we're gonna do a little obstacle course, and it's gonna start over here. Gonna kind of bust around the house. You'll kind of see what happens. My goal is I gotta get all the way to that yellow frisbee before my son Connor, who's up top on the roof, hits me with fireworks. So let's go. Okay, let's get it rolling. Let's be safe too, people. Get your earplugs on. Jesus! Man, that was really dumb. Holy crap, I'm out of shape too. I gotta keep on moving, sweating. Thank you, Connor. I know my son probably wanted to hit me really bad. Hey, but here we go. Episode 1, season 2. Let's keep moving and keep working, people. Be safe out there.